Welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve for angles of a parallelogram using the properties of a parallelogram. So right here we have our parallelogram, and we are given two values of two angles. So our right angle here, our top right angle, we have is 6.6x plus 9 degrees. And our bottom left angle, this is stated to be 2x plus 25 degrees. And for parallelograms, a property of them is that opposite angles or vertical angles are equal, meaning that this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So opposite angles / vertical angles are going to be equal for parallelograms. So now that we know that these two angles are equal, we can simply solve for x and set these two equal. So we can make our equation. We have 2x plus 25, and this is equal to 6x plus 9. And if we solve this, we're going to subtract 2x on both sides, subtract 9 on both sides, so we get 16 is equal to 4x. And if we divide by 4 on both sides, we get x is equal to 4, because 16 divided by 4 is 4. So x here, this is going to be 4. And now, knowing the value of x, we could also find out the value of these two angles, because another property of parallelograms is that the sum of all their interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. So first, let's find out the value of these two angles. Well, because both of them are equal, we only need to plug in 4 for one of them. So let's plug in 4 for 6x plus 9. So that would give us 6 times 4 plus 9. And 6 times 4 is 24, so this would be 24 plus 20 plus 9, and this would equal 33. And that means this angle is 33, and if this angle is 33, we also know that this angle is 33 because both of them are equal. So 33 plus 33 is 66. So now that we know that these two angles add up to 66 and these two angles are the same, it's quite easy to find out the value of these two angles. Well, let's first start by subtracting 66 from 360, because 360 is our total value of all the angles combined, and if we subtract these two values, the sum of these two angles, then we'll get the sum of these two angles. So 360 minus 66, this is going to equal 294. So the sum of these two angles is 294 degrees. And because they're both equal, if we want to find the value of one of these angles, we could simply divide 294 by 2. So then we have 294 divided by 2, and this is equal to 147 degrees. So these two angles are each 147 degrees, and these two angles are each 33 degrees.